doing? Yeah, I'm a truck driver. I just made a delivery off of Northwest Chapman Road, 1850 Northwest Chapman here in Lee Summit. I've got a suspicious guy back here near the dock area. He keeps ducking into the bushes, coming back out and then walking the fence line. It's making me nervous. I need to hook up to a trailer here, and I'm concerned he's gonna jump me or something. No, he's on foot. Appears to be white male, fairly young looking, probably in 20s if I was to guess. Red cap, red shirt with writing on the front, and then dark colored pants. He's on the north side of the building, which is the back alley facing 470, and he's eastbound along the fence line, but he's out of my sight now. He walked around the corner. Awesome, thank you. Bye. But then he... Hey, yep. That's me. Yeah, you can Google honk for pink now and I show up. I can't believe it. He was, yeah, I did. He was last seen going along the fence line back that direction.
Is he on this side?
Yeah, he's on our side of the fence. Yeah, he was bending over, picking stuff up, bending over, and then he'd kind of like twitch out. He looks like he's tweaking or something. Thank you. That was him in the U-Haul. He just hopped in that short U-Haul, turning right there.
Turning right now?
Yeah, he was just suspicious.
Okay, yeah, he told me he lost a $10 bill. He's looking for it, so I'm just gonna go follow him. He told me he's going inside the store. Obviously, he's not.
Oh my God. That's a fucking dull moment.